Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are on V-Series 54, just passing the Glen Iris Tunnel right now, and it is Monday the 11th of August, and we have yet another train service disruption here on the Mandurah line. Cockburn Central to Rockingham closed, middle of the day on a weekday, absolutely terrible. I don't know why this kind of closure happens so often, honestly, like so many times when there's like an unscheduled closure. It's literally Cockburn to Rockingham. But this is the first time it's happened since the TCL is opened. Doesn't really make much difference, but it's just weird having both the Mandurah and the Thorney Cockburn line terminating at Cockburn Central right now. And I've seen that some trains are doing really weird operation. They're going from the southbound Mandurah track over here all the way across onto the TCL track, and again onto the other TCL track, and onto the other Mandurah track to come into platform 1 at Cockburn Central. That's crazy, like crossing that many times. I don't think the trains ever did that before. They did like before the TCL tracks were even here, but actually I think it happened once. But as you can see, we're slowing down a lot right now, so I wonder if we'll do it, but it's kind of bad coordinating that with the TCL trains as well. So having both the lines terminate here, it's already been like 2 hours. I don't know what's happened again, but it's definitely an interesting move if it does go across like that. I don't know why they need to do that though, because would they have like too many trains considering there's enough to run the full line and then they have to stop them at Cockburn? Like they'd have to send them to the sidings, make them both full, and there'd still be too many. But apparently some of them are doing that. Quick turnaround, I guess. And considering this speed, we might actually do it. I hope this doesn't go into peak hour again. It's so bad if it does. Oh yes, we are. We actually are. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. So we're crossing from the Mandurah track to the TCL track. I don't think this has happened. I mean, it's obviously happened for going onto platform 3 in the past. But then we cross again onto the other direction TCL track. There we go, that's already 2 crossings. I can't believe this is even possible. Like, it's so weird that it can do this. 2 crossings, and cross again. They're all in a row, literally 1, 2, 3. Cross again onto the northbound Mandurah track, and now we're 3 tracks over. It's so weird how the crossovers work there. That is so cool. Bro, what? Announcement chime and then no announcement.
Attention
There we go.
passengers, due to overhead power issues on the line ahead of us, this train will be terminating at Cockburn. I repeat, this train terminates at Cockburn. There'll be a rail replacement bus that will take passengers to Rockingham, and then the trains will resume from Rockingham to Mandurah. Sorry for the inconvenience.
There we go. And there's the TCL track.
Cockburn Central.
I don't think I've ever arrived in the wrong direction here at Cockburn. This is so cool. I'm so glad I get to experience this. See the A-Series over there? Just leaving now, terrible. Yeah, because usually like that, and then since we slowed down so much we couldn't make the connection. I mean, I'm not going that way anyway. 2 car. And pulling into Cockburn Central. Terminating. Let's get everyone off. Bro, who put that sticker there?
Terminating train. All passengers, please leave the train. This train will be heading from Cockburn back to Perth. I repeat, this train departs Cockburn and heads back to the city.
Only the TCL on the board. So weird. Here we are at the system map at Cockburn Central. I just noticed this. Why is the Byford extension shut down? Or Armadale line, not a sticker here. Every other system map, it's a sticker. But here, I swear every other system map, but not here. Did it get pulled off too many times with all the idiots here? And then they just made it permanent. But they're gonna have to change it very soon anyway. Really bad right now, barely any train replacement buses. I just told someone to use the local routes to Auburn Grove, especially the 526, which is so direct, as we know. Although sadly he's getting on the deviating trip that goes to the Southern Cross Retirement Village, so enjoy the bit of a slower trip, otherwise it would have been so fast. I haven't been in that deviation for ages either. Maybe I should take it too, but lots of train drivers over there coming up from Rockingham in what, cars or buses, whatever, to start their shifts. There's another train replacement coming in, 2972. No Destos on the buses. Now, if this disruption lasts one more hour, then it's going to be really terrible because all the W patterns are going to be coming in, and then they're going to have nowhere to turn them around because only 2 sidings, of course, on TCL platform. 526. Wonder how many people are smart with that. Yeah, the train drivers are actually using the train replacement. That's so funny. Train drivers in the bus. 526 coming in. No 909 in sight yet. Somehow it's not even that busy. I guess midday, but... Oh, there. Now it's got the Desto. That's just the normal all stops Desto. So that'll be the next service down towards Rockingham. But honestly, it's probably faster to get in the 526 right now. If you're going to Auburn Grove. Well, it's only been 20 minutes now since I arrived, but 3 hours since the disruption started. Trains are running again apparently. I don't really know what went wrong. Apparently something in Anketel Tunnel, so we'll see right now. It's probably the emptiest midday Mandurah Line train you're ever gonna get. I guess not much to film, but unfortunately I wanted to film one of the trains coming in with the crossovers from the end of platform 3. That would have looked so cool. But the next train, which was this one, just came in normally, sat at platform 2 for like 15 minutes and now has departed, so it's all good. So nothing much to film anymore. We've already seen the 909, both express and normal patterns. Oh, C-Series going the other way. 132. Express and normal patterns between Coburn and Rockingham, so there's many other videos you can go to check out to see that. But this one really was just just to see that crossover. And also now, while I was telling that guy to go on the 526, I actually realized there's some really, really weird school days only deviation that runs to some random school near Auburn Grove, Success Primary School, but it runs at like middle of the day. So what the hell is that? That's not even school times. I never realized this deviation even existed until I checked the timetable right now for the 526. And there's Mandurah, probably the worst served suburb for public transport that's like actually near public transport. Literally the train right here, but no station, no buses in there. Have to walk all the way to the 536 in Hammond Park. It's so bad. They really need to put a bus there. Yeah, I don't know what that deviation is. I swear I never saw it before in the timetables when I was filming the other Southern Cross or whatever it is, Retirement Village deviation. But now there's this school one. I didn't even know. At like 10 a.m., 12 p.m., and 1 p.m. So weird. It's just a one-stop U-turn deviation, but it literally only goes there in the middle of the day, not even during school time. So I really don't understand what that is and why it would exist as train replacement. 2649, completely packed. Everyone's like, what the hell? So I'll definitely actually go and try and go on that one on Wednesday maybe, because I have to come down here again. And then we can film that, because really that's not really a proper school deviation if it's in the middle of the day, which means I haven't been on every non-school deviation now, so I have to go back and make sure that's recorded. So you'll just see some random bus video then as well for that. But right now we'll just check Anketel Tunnel, see if anything's going on, but then we'll end this. Nothing much. See, here are the repair crews or whatever. There was a truck here before doing something, so I really don't know what happened. Like 3 hours of disruption here at the tunnel. Just another round of overhead wire issues like on the Fremantle line last time. Nah, nothing you can see anymore. That was the last work crew leaving. Oh well. Weird. Well, we'll just end it there. I might actually go back and film the Coburn Central redone station video now. It's still not done. Maybe not yet, I don't know. Whatever. Actually, I'll go to Rockingham right now, to the beach for a bit of, I don't know, just, I haven't been there for so long now. So that'll be nice. But yeah, we'll just end here now. Bye. Thanks for watching another sudden disruption, even though this was probably one of my shortest videos and we didn't even get on a bus since it was just the normal patterns. But at least I discovered that deviating service now with this.
This is Panama.